In this video, I will show how to fix high fan noise of Windows 11 desktop. So click on Start and search here Edit Power Plan. Open it and here click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Now click on this plus icon Processor Power Management. So minimum processor state, so make it 5 when on battery or when plugged in, and maximum processor state, so make here about 60 or 70. Then click on apply. And if you are using any high range, any program or game, so on that particular time you can maximize up to 100%. Otherwise, just 60 or 70 is the OK. So apply, then click on OK. Now exit and restart your system. So this is the method, guys. You can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method worked for you.